You guys know I like a challenge, and I don't think I've seen anybody do this yet on the Scion. Is there a need to do this? I don't know. If you have good skills painting the back of these needles, then by all means paint them. But I found out that this red comes out really sharp when you swap it out with an OEM style needle. Look at how sharp that is. All right. Be careful here. So here's what I was using: flush cutters, super glue, razor blade, and I have a small flathead here. This is what the replacement needle looks like. These are the fuel gauge and probably oil temperature. So yeah, this is the back of the replacement needle. This is the back of the OEM needle. This is what the OEM needle looks like removed. So you've got to pretty much pick away at these two circle tabs here. That one and that one. Then you pop this black housing off. Once you pop the black housing off, it basically looks like this. You do the same with that needle. Then you've got to chop off that stem. This stem and this stem are different sizes. Actually, you could probably force it on here, but not a good idea. So I want to keep this OEM stem. So I basically gut everything and then pop this needle inside here. And this is the end result right here. All right, and again, look at how sharp this looks if you compare this. I mean, it's a pretty fucking sharp needle. Compared to painting, that's better than any paint job I would be able to do. There's that. And there's that. I'm doing this through the lens, sorry.